Hello, second grade. Today we are going to continue writing with our 3-digit numbers. I am going to go ahead and share my screen with you so that you can see what I'm doing. What you will need for this lesson is a pencil, and you will need a piece of paper, okay? If you want to use the back side of your math worksheet for today, you can do that. So if you want to take out the math worksheet and do it on the back side, on the blank side of the math worksheet, you can use that. If you don't want to do that, you just need a piece of paper and a pencil, okay? So put pause, go grab a piece of paper, and go grab a pencil, okay? So that you can finish this, so that you can be able to participate with us, okay? So go ahead and do that. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen, and in this screen, you're going to see this whiteboard. You're very familiar with this, so I'm going to move, I'm going to have this whiteboard, and I'm going to write down a number over here at the top, 247. Now, what I want you to do is on your blank piece of paper, I want you to draw a picture for this number. Remember how I showed you? I'll do it again. This is hundreds. This is 10. And this is 1. Okay? So right now, I want you to put pause, and I want you to draw the shapes that I gave you right there for the number 247, okay? So if you need a little bit more time to draw it, put pause, and then as soon as you're done finishing drawing, you can click play, and then we'll continue with the lesson, okay? So I'm glad you went ahead and did that. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna help you do it together. We're gonna do it together. So 247 will look like this. So let's do the hundreds first, shall we? Okay, let's do the hundreds. And it has a number 2. So how many big rectangles or squares are we gonna need? 2. Good job. There we go. And then we're gonna go to our tens. And how many tens are we gonna need? 4. Good job. Let's do blue. 1. 2. 2. 3. And 4. They don't have to be perfect. They just have to look the same. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna look at our ones. And how many ones do we have? 7. So we're gonna draw 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. So if your picture looked like this, you did a really great job. If it didn't look like this, that's okay. We're going to continue practicing, and hopefully by the end of the lesson, we'll be able to get it right, okay? So now I'm going to give you another number. You're going to put pause, and then you're going to continue drawing, okay? So your number now is, okay, your number is 450. Okay, so put pause, and I want you to draw this. And then when you're done, you can put play, and you will do it with me, okay? Okay, so if your drawing looks like this, you got it right. So we go to the hundreds place, And how many do we need? 4. That's the wrong color. We need 4 of these, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And then we go to our tens, and how many tens do we need? Good. We need 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good job. And how many ones do we need? 0. So this is 450, right? 100, 200, 300, 400, 410, 420, 430, 440, and 450. Good. Now we're going to do one more. If you need more another piece of paper, you can go ahead and grab another one. Make sure that you're drawing not too big, so that way you have room for all the ones that we're going to do. Okay, so your next number is going to be, your next number is 109. Okay, so put pause, and I want you to draw it, and when you're done, you're going to put play, and then you'll do it with me. Okay? Perfect. So if your page looks anything like this, you got it right. Not the one we use. Okay, we need 1. We look at the hundreds and we need only 1. And then how many tens do we need? 0, so we're not going to have any tens. And then we look at our ones, and how many ones do we need? That's correct. We need 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Great. So if your page looks like that, you got it right. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to draw a couple of pictures, and you are going to tell me what the number is. Are you ready? Okay, so I'm going to draw this. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay, now I want you to tell me how much this is. We're going to do it together. Are we ready? So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to see how much, what did I draw? So let's look at our picture. How many 100 blocks did I draw? 1. Let's write it out. 1, 2, 3. I wrote 3, right? How many number blocks? How many 10 blocks did I write? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many 1 blocks did I draw? 1, 2, and 3, right? I wrote 3. Okay, I'm just gonna erase. I'm just gonna have the total that we have. That way we don't get confused. Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna write down the number for the number of 100 blocks that we put. So how many 100 blocks did we have? 3. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put 3. Then how many 10 blocks did we write down? 4. Good, so then we're gonna put 4. And how many 1 blocks did I have there? That's right, that's a 3. So our number is 343. Okay, I am gonna do it. I'm gonna give you a couple more and you're gonna tell me what it is, okay? Okay, here we go. Okay. Okay, what is the number we're looking for? So the first thing that we do is we count how many. We look at our picture and see how many we have. So we have 1, 2, 3 of the hundreds. We have 0 tens and we have 0 ones. So what are we gonna write? We have 300, so that's the first thing that we write. We have 0 tens and then we have 0 ones. So what's our number? 300. Good job. Okay, so let's do it again. I hope you're having fun. So I am gonna draw, okay, I'm gonna draw this one. Ready? Okay. Okay, and then the last one that we're gonna do, 1, 2, 3. So first thing that we do is we look at our picture and we count. How many 100 blocks did I use? Good, I used 1. How many 10 blocks did I use? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. And how many 1 blocks did I use? I used 3 of those. Okay, so now let's write down let's write down our number. So the first one that we do is the 100, so it's 1, and then we do the 10s, 7, and then we do the 1s, 3. Good, perfect. You are doing very, very well. Okay, the next thing that I want to do with you is I want to count, okay? So, we're going to count by 10s to 400. Are we ready? Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300, 310, 320, 330, 340, 350, 360, 370, 380, 390, 400. Good. Thank you. Thank you. So, as soon as we finish this video, please continue to work on your math worksheet and on your math facts. Okay, that is it for today. I will see you tomorrow. God bless and totus tuus, Maria.